case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1968 case that reached the Illinois Supreme Court, the Methodist Old Peoples Home found itself battling for property tax exemption. The lawsuit hinged on an interesting principle, often applied to nonprofit organizations. A property can be exempt from taxes if it's exclusively used for charitable purposes, provided that the organization can substantiate this claim. The Methodist Old Peoples Home began legal proceedings to challenge a lower court's decision denying their claim for this very property tax exemption. The plaintiff asserted they were serving a charitable purpose by housing and caring for the elderly. Yet, a discord was pointed out between the plaintiff's bylaws and their ostensible mission of caring for the sick and homeless aged. Despite this discord, the plaintiff sought tax exemption under a specific section of the Revenue Act of 1939, amended by the 1967 General Assembly. However, their claim didn't find favor in the lower court, which ruled against the tax exemption. The court saw the plaintiff's property as not fulfilling the conditions necessary to be classified as exclusively utilized for charitable purposes, per state law. Ultimately, the plaintiff's appeal to the Supreme Court was unsuccessful. The higher court affirmed the lower court's verdict, agreeing that the plaintiff's property did not meet the criteria for tax exemption. The rationale rested on the fact that under its prevailing bylaws and resident agreements, the plaintiff wasn't legally obliged to maintain residents who became sick or unmanageable. As a result, the Methodist Old Peoples Home lost their fight, reinforcing that tax exemptions require both actual and factual evidence of a property's exclusive use for charitable purposes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.